words for you to push the arm across and do an arm triangle. So don't do that, okay? There is a purpose to every step in this sequence, okay? So make sure that you're not just hearing wheel kick to mount, arm triangle for butter mount, okay? Don't space off during this because, you know, I'll just push the arm across and do the arm triangle because we drill it and my partner's going to let me do it. Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. I want you guys to be doing every single stinking step in this process to get to this arm triangle, okay? There's a reason why you guys suck at arm triangles.
That's so weird.
Okay? It's because you don't do this. You're like, I'm just going to push it across, throw my head to the ground, and then squeeze as hard as possible. Okay? That's not how an arm triangle works. Okay? All right.
That's exactly what's in my notes.
I don't want you to train for beating new people. Okay?
Okay.
All right. North south. Bumps. Knees in. Triangle danger. Up. Reversing down belly. Okay. Wheel kick to mount. Head and arm. Skydive. Okay. Feet are crossed. Head and arm. Underjack the arm. Don't just underjack the arm to center. Try to underjack the elbow all the way across past center. When you underjack the arm across, you're trying to get head with your underjacked arm, armpit with the choking arm. Okay? We can settle here. Now it's a game of inches getting my chin past the elbow. Okay? And that's why we're trying to underjack that arm all the way across center. Okay? All the way over here to make it easy to go like that. My chin replaces my arm and blocks her elbow from coming back. Just long enough for this hand to come back to the tricep. Drop my head down. Chopping block. Answering the phone. Comb over. The hand to the head. Lock the figure four grip. On your own head, not on your partner's head. That's weird. On your own head. Put your butterfly hook in. Sprawl out. And then just slow, steady squeeze.
Is that butter mount?
Yep.
Oh, butterfly mount. Makes so much more sense. I don't know.
Say again? Yeah, it's just like a butterfly hook from the top. Yep.
Is this like a preference thing, or just because like it's the warm up? Like you wouldn't put the knee on belly across and leave the kind of like quarter mount like deal when you sink the head and arm instead of coming over to the side all the way. Your foot's still kind of.
We're making it to where she is not able to wrap her arms around her leg
Okay.
and defend by grabbing her leg with our arm triangle.
Okay.
If we go knee on belly, she can start to walk away, and our knee on belly will start to fall off. If I keep the butterfly hook in, she can't walk away, and she can't wrap her arms around her leg to defend. Okay? South, bump, bring your knees in, triangle danger, posture, step up, hand goes to the back of the knee. Remember, the leg that comes up is the trapped arm side, not the free arm side. Okay? And the leg, reversing our belly, wheel kick to mount, head and arm, skydive, underjack to head and armpit control, chopping block, answer the phone, comb over, before. Butter mount, slow, steady squeeze. Make sense? 1, 2, 3.